We actually had a few really great aha moments while onboarding Xmount360 as our first assembly customer. The first thing that was really insightful for us was the importance of counting the components when we receive them instead of waiting until we're assembling. This was really important because once you're assembling, the risk of missing a component in one package increases. Whereas if we counted them while receiving them, we could be confident that we had all of the right number of components for each. And the second thing that we really learned was don't take things for granted. It may seem simplistic, but communicate with your customer about how they want the assembly, the kitting, the bundling. Because, for example, the first time we assembled it, we simply put certain small components in the packaging, the larger plastic packaging. But then by communicating with Stephen about the process and sending him pictures, we could verify that actually he wanted it done differently. He wanted the smaller components in the smaller plastic bag with the screws. That actually does improve the customer experience because you don't have small bits rolling around in the packaging, and it really was an improvement.